All right, welcome back, everybody. Dr. Blumenthal here with Natural Transplants. We're back in the Bethesda office, and we are thrilled to have Aurelia. Did I pronounce it correctly?
Yes.
Okay, good. So you're coming in from New York,
Yep.
right? Okay, awesome. Thank you for doing this. This is great. Really showing everybody kind of, you know, we'll do the before and afters, do a little bit in the middle.
Yes.
Tell us, if you wouldn't mind sharing with everybody kind of what brought you to us and how you found us.
Sure. So, just like most African American women over the years, growing up wearing very tight sew-ins, very tight braids, a lot of what we like to call protective styles that are actually damaging to our more sensitive area of our scalp, and it's called alopecia, as you can see.
Yep.
And I was just doing a little bit of research, and I knew that I wanted to fix this issue. I've been an avid wearer of wigs for years, and it's because of this. And as I'm getting older and getting into a more professional field, I'm like, you know, it would be really nice to just wear my real hair.
Yeah, and so you never go out without it covered.
I always wear wigs.
Yeah.
Like 90, if 100 was the max, 110% of the time I wear wigs.
Okay.
And so I knew I wanted to fix this problem. And I did a little research. I saw you guys online. I saw your videos, and I consulted with other natural hair transplant facilities, even a major one in New York. And I've done multiple consultations with you. I've done multiple with other facilities as well, and I just felt really comfortable with you.
Awesome.
You're really nice. You answered all of my questions. Super friendly. Everyone here it's been cool so far, and I have my friend with me, and they're treating her like she's getting surgery too.
So this is the outline where we're going to go. Again, we talked about the 2 fingers distance. We can fill in without any issues. Sometimes we can get to 3. I'm hoping we can get all this. You got good density, so I feel confident that we can get this whole area in one procedure today.
Yay.
All right, we are back with Aurelia, and you made it.
I did.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
We had a very fun day today. We had a good
Super
time.
fun.
Good.
Your staff is awesome.
Tell everybody how it was for you real quick.
It was a really good experience. The numbing part, I would say, is a bit of discomfort.
You struggled a little bit with that, but you did great.
did.
You made it through.
I did.
It's okay.
I did.
Yeah.
And it's 10 minutes of pain for like the rest of the time, which is what, about 3 hours we spent.
Yeah.
3 hours of just no pain,
Yeah.
no discomfort. It was really a really good process. I dozed off a few times. I watched movies. I listened to music, all of my crazy music.
I had to stop the head bobbing because you were dancing too much. But good.
So it was an awesome experience. I've never had any type of surgery or been under the knife for anything, and this, I had a little fear about it, but this definitely eased my fears. But I mean, your staff and everyone's awesome, so I'm not sure if I'd have that experience anywhere else.
Good.
But it was a really, really good experience. Like, if you're thinking about getting a hair transplant, like, come to Natural Transplants. They are the best. Trust me.
I didn't even prompt you to say that.
No, you didn't.
All right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here at the Natural Transplants Bethesda, Maryland office, and we are thrilled to have Aurelia back. You may recognize her from a transplant about a year ago. Aurelia, welcome back. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Good, excellent. You look incredible. I know we spoke a little bit ago, but share, if you wouldn't mind, sort of share the year. I know it was COVID and all that, but as far as the hair is concerned, give us sort of an update on how the year went.
Absolutely. So the year went great. I'm obsessed, in love with my natural hair transplant.
Awesome.
You did a wonderful job, just apart from the overall experience in the office, even leaving. Jerry contacted me. The check-ins with you were consistent. And my hair has been consistent.
Good.
My hair is
That's the most important
grown
thing.
in.
Look at that.
So I brought my brush. Any African American woman knows this is the edge brush. You have, it used to be back in the day, it used to be a toothbrush, but now like people have gotten creative and made like an actual edge brush. But like before my transplant, I would brush my hair down and it would probably stop right here, and it would be like tiny little hairs. But like my baby hairs are so
Look at
long.
that.
So long and so full, and I love them. I could never do any of this without drawing my hair in, so I had a lot of thinning in this area. And it's extremely full, and I'm extremely happy. I don't wear wigs anymore.
Good.
I
You
was a
go
wig
out.
girl.
Got your ponytail back.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I wear my natural hair now.
Awesome.
No chemicals, obviously, because no chemicals
Yeah.
are, within that first year.
I will hunt you down and find you if you ruin our hair.
Right. I would hunt
I know.
myself down. But I love my transplant, even this
Great.
side. It's just,
Yep.
it's
And
so...
we're gonna actually put up the before pictures as well too. So, and we talked about the front is a little spacey in the front, and
Yes.
you're hoping, and we're still at 12 months. We're hoping maybe
Right.
give another 2 or 3 months. If it doesn't fill in, we may want to come back and fill that in. Overall, I think it looks awesome.
Yes.
You and I are a little bit of a perfectionist, so that's why we were kind of examining it, in detail up top. But overall, I think it was a spectacular result. If you wouldn't mind just sort of looking down for 2 or 3 seconds, and then we're gonna fill in. We're gonna put up your before pictures as well too, and then look to your right. There you go, and then to your left. Perfect. Awesome. I mean, it looks awesome. It looks awesome.
Thank you.
And you said
I love it.
no issues with the incision in the back.
No
You don't have any
issues.
pain or any problems with that. Good.
And obviously you were in DC and I was in New York when I needed the incision removed, and I just went to a urgent care, and the physician removed it for me.
Good.
Seamlessly, no problems.
Good.
I think you were available then. He was a little nervous.
I know. Yeah. Sometimes I get a phone call. Yeah.
Yeah. And he called you and you walked him through it.
Yep.
And it's fine. Incision is totally healed. My hair has grown back so much from where the incision was.
Awesome.
The hair just kind of, it almost felt like it was an overnight thing. I felt like I didn't have hair, and I had my little bulbs all over my head from my transplant. And then in 30 days, I could see a little spike of hair growing in. And then the next month, more hair. And the next month, more hair. And before you know it, I'm now able to just comb through my hair, and I have a full hairline again.
That's awesome.
I'm so happy.
So happy for you. Well, congratulations. We will keep in touch, and it looks fantastic. Thank you so much for sharing your story. And like I said, this is sort of be the last check-in from us to you. But you're always welcome to reach out if you have any questions from our side. Okay.
Thank you.
Awesome, really. Take care. Congrats. All right. Bye bye.